In this video, we show you how to loosen a stuck water valve. This is absolutely the easiest way to do it. Usually it is the hot water valve that gets stuck. We use 3-in-1 oil for the job. Soak, and we mean soak the entire valve assembly thoroughly. Wait 10 or 20 minutes. Take a pair of pliers, turn it about 1/4 of an inch to the left, then back to the center, then turn it 1/4 of an inch to the right and then back to center. Now increase the distance from 1/4 of an inch to about 1/2 an inch, center, other side, repeat and then gradually increase the distance as the knob becomes loose. Do not force it, just go slow, and you can add more oil as you move along. Soon you will be able to turn it with your hand. Continue with the procedure, slowing moving it back and forth till you feel the knob move smoothly. Now we show you how to clean hard water stains without any chemicals or hard water removers. All you need is Windex and a razor blade. Soak everything, the more soap, the better. Just run it along your tile or glass, razor at a slight angle, be careful not to scratch the glass, you are scraping the glass through the liquid. That's it. We just saved you 1 hour. Watch our other videos on some tips on replacing this sink, drain, and faucet. Don't forget to like/comment and subscribe to our channel.